For this one, we're going to be taking a look at the new skin smoothing neural filter. To get to it, you go to filters and then you go down to neural filters. Once you've loaded in, for the very first time, you may have a cloud icon. So you pretty much want to download the skin smoothing filter by clicking on the cloud. Then you can enable this by clicking on the button right here. Sometimes it may not pick up the face. There is a lot of different images. So I've tried it with multiple other ones before this one, and a lot of them didn't really pick up the face. If it doesn't have a rectangle like this around the face, it doesn't really recognize it. And it is an early feature, so eventually it will be fixed, but you just have to find a different image that actually does work. Another thing as well, if you have multiple faces or multiple people in your picture, then you can go up here and you can actually select which person you want to focus on. The other ones will be highlighted in gray and the main one will be in a blue. With this filter, you have two sliders. The first one is blur and the second one is smoothness. Blur will allow you to either put it on 0 to keep all the detail, or you can put it on 100 and that will smoothen the skin a lot more than 50. Smoothness, you can either have it on -50, which will try to keep more detail, or you can put it on 100 and that will smoothen the skin. If you wanted to, you can preview and see what it looks like before and after by clicking this button right here. So if you click it, this is the before and this is the after. You can tell a massive difference. We've just literally cut off a lot of age just by smoothing the skin. If you're not happy with your settings, you can always reset it by pressing the reset button and that will put it back to normal. But we're going to leave it on 150. Once you're happy with all your settings, you can go down to output, and then in here you can either have current, duplicated layer masked, new layer, and smart filter. But we're going to go with a new layer and then we can go ahead and press OK. And there we go. As you can see, we've now got a new layer with the face. When you preview this by itself, it looks like this. So you just pretty much want to press Ctrl and J if you want to remove the empty areas. And as you can see, it now has filled in a little bit more. But normally what you can do is you can combine these two together and you can convert these into a smart object. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I have more Photoshop tutorials on my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.